Hello everyone. Today I'm here with a new story. Are we there yet? Jenny and Jimmy were twins and were they excited? They had just completed kindergarten and because they did so well were going to the big zoo in the city. After they got into the family car's back seat, Mom checked their seat belts and Dad said, "If everyone is ready, let the journey begin." They were off and headed to the big zoo in the city. The big zoo in the city was a long way from home. It wasn't long before Jenny and Jimmy were bored. They were so excited and just wanted to see the animals, even get some peanuts, popcorn, and soda, but it was taking so long. "Are we there yet?" asked Jimmy. "No," his mom replied. "It will be a little while." "Why don't you and Jenny look out the window and count pine trees?" Jimmy looked at Jenny and then tried to look out the window, but they were too low in the seat to see anything. Jenny grumbled, "Dad, we can't see out the window. Are we there yet?" "Yeah, are we there yet?" Jimmy sang out. "We are getting close," Mom tuned in. "Why don't you both sing a song? That will help pass the time." "Okay," Jenny said. Then she leaned over to Jimmy and whispered something in his ear. They both smiled and giggled a little as they faced the front of the car and began to sing. "Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we? There yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet?" Their dad looked at their mom and said softly, "I don't know about you, but I'm glad we are here." Then, in a deep voice, he sang out, "We have arrived." Jenny and Jimmy giggled. Jimmy and Jenny had such a fun day. They visited every animal and had fun in the petty zoo and ate hot dogs, popcorn, and peanuts. Soon it was time to leave. Mom got their seatbelts on and they were headed home. "I hope they are tired and fall asleep," Dad whispered to Mom. "Are we there yet?" Jenny giggled in a soft voice. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.